Hey guys, Luigi Guy here. Want to see a cool magic trick with this vending machine? Watch. Wait for it to authorize. And watch, you can make a selection. Watch when I make one selection right here. Say, I'm gonna choose a Dr. Pepper and cream soda. And voila! A Dr. Pepper and cream soda. And another cool trick, watch. It says, make another selection if you wanna have two. And I'm gonna select a what should I select? I'm gonna select a Fanta pineapple. Voila! And what do you know? You can have two drinks if you want to have two. So yeah, I do think that's pretty cool. So yeah, be sure to subscribe for more and bye.